Hey guys, welcome to Redesign That Car. Today I'm taking a stab at redesigning the front end of the BMW 4 Series. As you probably know, the new 4 Series has a very controversial front end design. You either love it or hate it. And I'm not sure I hate it, but I think it could be better. The main problem I have is that everything looks too big, from the kidney grille to the headlights to the grill intakes. To me, just the scale of these elements don't look right. So here's my attempt at a fix for the design. I kept the kidney grill very large, but I kind of like the illusion of it passing through the bumper and continuing it at the bottom of the grill intake. Kind of breaks it up while still looking big. I've made the headlights and grill intake smaller as well. So to me, this is a more interesting design that looks more like a classic BMW. Oh, and I also went with dark chrome instead of bright chrome on the grille and the window surrounds. So let me know what you think. If you like this design, give it a thumbs up or let me know in the comments what might be better. I'll be doing some more redesigns, so subscribe also if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching.